What's going on, guys? Today we are working on my 1987 Dodge W250. It's just an old work truck, but today we're going to be trying to put some life back into it. We got two main things we got to do today. One, we're going to put, like I said, long tube headers to put on it, and two, one of the freeze plugs came out of it over the winter, so we're going to put that back in it. I got a different one to shove in it just for the time being, just to make sure that the engine's still running good and everything before we dive any deeper to it. Which this truck is pretty much 100% stock for the most part. It's an old work truck from the state. That used to be an old salt spreader truck, so the truck is really rusty. And it had dump bed and everything on it. But you can see the mount. You used to have to have a plow and stuff on the front too. So I'm gonna use this like my dream truck. I've always wanted a first gen Dodge, and so I'm just gonna slowly try to mold it into the truck that I always wanted as a kid, growing up. So that's what we're gonna start today on some headers. And that also exhaust is stupid quiet. It's have all the emission stuff on it. Back has smog pumps, all the cabs, mufflers, and all that. So headers get started, and then probably next episode next episode we'll do, hopefully start getting rid of some of the EPA stuff and maybe custom exhaust. I probably won't get to exhaust this episode with today, so let's go. And today I got a GoPro, so I was gonna put a GoPro on today and do that to see how it goes. Okay, GoPro mode has been activated. I'm gonna try this out. Never done it, like I said. Truck, you see a little bunch of rust. Can't see the back, but the back's just as bad. Hood has been popped, and you can see it's rusty. I've been running water in it. It's been leaking. We're gonna get all this fixed though. So, you can see we're gonna take this header off. Well, this manifold off. We're gonna replace both of them with headers. And then the freeze plug that we have to replace is like right here. So that's why I figured might as well, if I gotta replace the manifolds, I might as well we'll replace the freeze plug. I might as well do the manifolds too, because then it'll hopefully be easier to get to. And I'm not for sure yet, but I think I might have to jack this motor up, one, to slide the headers in, and two, to get the freeze plug in. But we will see. We'll cross that when we get there. Yeah, hopefully we don't break any of these bolts in the head. It wouldn't surprise me, but I just really hope I don't want to have to deal with that today. So, let's get started. YouTube back on. If you hear anything, I'm just watching YouTube in the background. I like noise. Watching big time today. At least right now we are. And if you're like, yeah, man, his garage is a mess. It's just always like this. It's just how it be. I clean it every once in a while. It'll just return to this. So, to be fair, I was also in the process of cleaning this when I was like, hey, I'm gonna do the headers. So, it's usually how my cleaning goes. I get distracted easily. Just out of curiosity, you guys when you guys work on your stuff, do you watch YouTube or anything, or play music, or would you rather do that? Do you have a TV or anything in your garage? Or because I just got that in here not too long ago, and I enjoy it. I mean, don't get me wrong, sometimes it's definitely more of a distraction than it is help, but I like it. It feels stuck. Just because the exhaust is still connected? I feel like there should be more play in this. Whoa.
Could be a bad starter relay. Could be a break in the ignition trigger wire. Well, it could be.
Anyway, we'll go and cut that exhaust because, like I said, I got long tubes, so the exhaust won't fit anyways. We'll go from there, see if it comes out or not. But as you can see, it's a little leaky. There's a brand new starter on it, just put that on there. But there's a bunch of stuff I want to do to it. But one step at a time. Okay. That cut. Let's see if we can get her out. Oh, right there. Forgot to loosen the bolt and then take it all the way out. It looks like it's gonna come off. And it's off. Let's see. Slide on out. There we go. And she's out. Look at that. Let's see.
Yeah, I mean, I'm very happy with that. I
Nope.
feel like an idiot.
It's this one. Yeah, see? Right there. That's the freeze plug we're missing. And it looks like the gas is leaking, so at some point we'll probably take the panel off. But, get to that first. I don't know exactly the easiest way to do this, but we'll give her a shot. Definitely one benefit of working on trucks, and especially in older trucks, so much legroom. You can just kind of get comfortable versus new stuff. You can't really curl up in new stuff. Or cars. And some old, like really old cars. But work on this other side. See if this side comes off. Hopefully, it's like the other side. If it is, I will be genuinely surprised. Well, hell, that one's already missing a bolt. I'm guessing these have been off at some point. But we'll see. See how it goes. Well, that one was loose. Okay. Ah, I knew it. Last bolt. Of course it was. Okay, I'm gonna cut the exhaust off, same like I did on the other side, and see if we can get that loose or not, or if we're gonna have to do something else. I think we might have to drill that bolt out a little bit. But that's no good. It should be good. If not, you'll hear me run like a little girl. Run and scream. There we go. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to. Looks like there's a little bit hanging over the side. Take a drill bit, see if I can drill it out a little bit and do it. I'll come back to you guys on that, see if I can get it out. Well, it kind of escalated quickly. I went ahead, I wasn't planning on doing it, but I took both the smog pumps off, on this, because I was trying to get to the header, put the header in there. I did ended up getting the freeze plug installed, which was a pain, because I ended up having to take a scissor jack. I don't know where I put it. Scissor jack, anyways. I put it in between there and motor mount, and was able to get it in there. And then I had to tap on it with a hammer to get the rest of the way in. But now, to get the headers installed, it looks like I'm gonna have to take the starter off on this side. Hopefully, it'll just slide in after that. And on the other side, I'm gonna have to take the oil filter off. And hopefully after that, everything will just go good. If not, I don't see it ending very well because I'm getting annoyed. But we got this. I have faith. It should go good after that. I'm hoping. Well, I got the passenger side on, all bolted up in there. Now all I gotta do is work. I did have to take the oil filter off. I'm working on this side now. Hopefully it doesn't do too bad. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to lower. I got the motor jacked up right now. I think I have to lower it down a little bit to get it to slide in, but it doesn't seem like it should be too bad. I'll probably just get back to you guys whenever I get done with it. Well, I got it back together. Headers are on. Everything's put back together, but as you can see by looking under the truck, got a lot of fluid, so it's actually the water pump leaking now. So I guess that'll be the next adventure is changing the water pump. But let's start up pretty good. You guys start up real quick.